Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to extend stay in Agoda. So sometimes the best part of a trip is staying just a bit longer. So I'm going to walk you through how to extend your stay on Agoda. The first thing to do is to open your preferred browser and navigate to www.agoda.com. If you're not already signed in, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and enter your credentials. Once logged in, hover over your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. You find a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Bookings. In the Bookings window, you find three tabs: Upcoming, Completed, and Cancelled. Navigate to the Upcoming tab, and under this, locate the reservation you wish to modify. Click on it to open the booking details. Before proceeding, ensure that the hotel has availability for the additional nights you wish to book. You can do this by checking the hotel's calendar or contacting Agoda's customer support. Agoda typically requires guests to contact the customer support team to extend the stay. You can reach them via the contact us section on the website. Provide them with your booking details and the new checkout date you would prefer. Scroll to the way down and click on Help Center, and from Help Center you're going to find the option to contact them. Be prepared to cover any additional charges for the extended nights. Agoda's customer support will inform you of cost, and you may need to provide payment details to finalize the extension. Once your request is processed, you receive a confirmation email with the updated booking details. It's advisable to keep this confirmation handy for check-in. Always double check cancellation policies and payment terms before finalizing your booking. Of course, if you're unable to extend your stay online, contacting Agoda's customer support is the best course of action. And that's it. You've successfully extended your stay on Agoda. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.